Sulu here from Adventure Boys. Today we're at Spitskop. Been a while since I'm here. Bit overcast, drizzling a bit as you guys can see. But yeah, came out, thought why not. It's a Saturday, came a bit late. But main reason we came here was to just come book the spot here. What we are going to do is we're going to have a fishing clinic here at Spitskop Dam for the Northern Cape guys. So I just came to speak to the manager, book the spot that we want to use. But yeah, awesome man. But before we start rolling, I'm going to show you guys some footage that I had about a week or two ago at Bloemhof with the league. But I'm out here today, the buddy of mine. We're going to try and catch some fish. We're going to try and get a barber or two. But we'll see how it goes. But stick with us guys. Lekker man. Yo guys, what's happening? Sulu here from Adventure Boys. Today we're fishing our fourth league, last league for the year. We're at Bloemhof Dam, full strays by. I'll try and get you guys some content today. But yeah, whole thumbs. Hopefully it's an awesome day. Shot guys. So the plan today is I put one short rod in on 65 and the other one I throw a bottom with worms in a bit deeper just to see where the fish are, but it's a bit shallow. We'll check how it goes. Fishing was a bit slow today, but managed to get a few small grasses though. Don't have too much lack of weight there. I don't think I have decent weight though, but fish were coming and going. Biting good on the 95 and about 100, and now I'm just throwing open. So let's see how the day ends. It's about an hour and a half left. Hopefully something awesome happens. Okay guys, throwing a bottom on my 12. I got worms on the hooks. Put some Maximus and Fluoro just for some color in the water. It is a bit dirty. And then on my short rod I got peach and devil's fork, trying something different. Vampire float on top and just yellow plain float on top, hard floaty. So the short rod I'm gonna send in about maybe 60 meters. I'm just gonna throw it on gevoel, not gonna really clip in, it's a social. And then my 12-foot raises I'm gonna send as far as I can. Yeah, wish us luck, boys. First one on, guys. I must have one on the shorter rod. Doesn't feel too big, but let's try and get it out. Small barber on the bottom, guys. Lekker start. Yeah, let's see if we can get the bigger one. Yo guys, so end of the session, unfortunately the rain sent us home, but managed to get, what was it, I think 2 carp, 1 barber, a barber on that worms, and then I got 2 carp. I lost about 2 I think, but it was a quick session. But anyway, the whole reason for coming out was to put up the posters and stuff for our fishing clinic that we're hosting here at Spitskop Dam. So any of you viewers that are in Northern Cape, Kimberley area, join us at Spitskop Dam the 11th of December. It's gonna be an awesome one. Gonna show the guys some tips and tricks. We have coaches that's gonna help us. So yeah, join us. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Sorry that it was so short. Unfortunately the weather chased us away, but catch us next time. Shot, guys.